How to recover deleted messages on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So today I'll show you the process of recovering the messages that you have deleted. I'll first show you where the deleted messages will go. First, open up your Messages app and let's start by deleting one of the message. So just swipe to the left and then you will see a red delete icon appear. Go ahead and tap on it and delete the message. Now come back and then you will see folders like this. Go to recently deleted and then choose the message that you have recently deleted, and then you can find the recover option on the bottom right, and you just have to tap on it and recover the message. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, everyone.